In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a message in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever sent a message and then noticed a typo, unclear wording, or just wanted to quickly update what you wrote, Microsoft Teams makes that very easy. Editing a message only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a simple and straightforward way. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where your direct messages and conversations are stored. Make sure you're in the chat where the message was originally sent so you can locate the exact message you want to change. Once you're in the correct conversation, move your mouse over the message you want to edit. You don't need to click it right away. Just hover over the message and Teams will reveal additional options connected to that message. This is an important part of the process because those controls are hidden until you place your cursor over the message. When those message options appear, click the three dots. This opens the More Actions menu for that specific message. The three dots menu is where Teams keeps extra controls, including the option to edit what you've already sent. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your cursor is still positioned over the message. From that menu, choose the option to edit the message. Your original message will switch into editing mode, allowing you to make changes directly in place. At this point, you can correct spelling, adjust wording, or update the message so it says exactly what you intended. Take a quick moment to review the updated version before sending the change, especially if it's part of an active conversation. When you're done editing, press Enter on your keyboard to save the changes. You can also click the check icon if you prefer using your mouse. Either option will confirm the edit and update the message in the chat. And that's it. That's how to edit a message in Microsoft Teams. It's a small feature, but it's very useful for keeping your communication clear and professional. If you make a mistake or need to refine something after sending it, you can fix it quickly without sending a brand new message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.